Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of the Ford Street T Roadster. It's a Monogram kit, 124 scale. Go and pick that up and see. Not sure what year this kit came out. 1996 this particular one come out. The number on this kit is 2741. There's some side art. Looks like it comes with a little trailer. That's pretty neat. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get right into this one. Hope you're all having a great day. Skies are opening up a little bit here. We got a little bit of rain going on. Nothing major though. Alright, right off the top we've got instructions. Let's see. Let's say 124 scale kit. Not a whole lot going on here. Basic different languages tell you about what to do before you begin. We got putting the radiator and the front spring on. Looks like this one may have steerable wheels. Steerable front wheels, of course, yep. Engine. Pretty basic looking kit. Step 13 before we put the wheels together. And here's some info on the trailer. Looks like you can do some nice detail in there on the trailer. And that's it. 17, they didn't even put a number on this one. 18 steps though on building this one. That's funny. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get right in to see what we got here. We have a bag full of black and tan molded parts. Here's the body of the car. Oh, it comes with its own little carrying case. Look at there, guys. There's the body. I'm not sure the year on this. It's going to be somewhere in the mid-20s, I'm thinking. Either 24, 5, 6, 7 Ford touring car, I believe. And here's the roof. Kind of a faux canvas roof. The interior, not a whole lot going on in there, but I guess you don't really need much. These look like the side rails for the trailer. Those are nice. Little seat cover thing there. One of these. Not sure what that is. Part of the trailer, I'm guessing. Only one of them though. So maybe it's the yeah. It might be the tailgate for the trailer. Couldn't spit that out, sorry. And here's the back of the, this is the trailer back. And I think this is the back half of the car itself. I don't know if you can see it real good there. And here we have engine halves and a little bit of a frame, real tiny little frame. Some windshield wipers. Maybe. Or that's suspension parts, that could be. There's the dashboard. Excuse me. Heads. Classic looking steering wheel. Trailer hitch. Radiator and radiator shroud protector there. There's tailgate for the, I think that's inner and outer. Yeah, it might be. This might be tailgate for the trailer and for the car itself, the back piece. Yep, and some wheel backs. Here we have molded in gold. Yeah, I had to get that in a different light to make sure because it looks chrome here, but it's actually gold. You got some rear wheel pieces and arm suspensions, the front spring. Very difficult to make this out in the gold the way it's reflecting. There's exhaust pieces, windshield frame for the car, some little shock absorbers, everything plated in gold. The headlights. Air cleaner, which if you watch it, I don't know if it'll show it. This is kind of a gold look here. And as you turn it, you could almost see that it's either didn't get tinted the gold proper, or if it's silver in there, it's different. Alrighty. And some really cool looking wheels. They look really sharp in the gold, and these are really nice too. I guess you get two options for wheels. That's really nice. You got thicker ones and skinnier ones. So I think what I'm looking at here, guys, I think these are like the rear tires for the car, and these are the tires, the wheels. These are the rear wheels for the car. These are the rear wheels, or the only wheels for the trailer, and then these are for the front of the car, and they're in halves. Yep, that's what's going on. Here's a big old I-beam for the front end. More exhaust, intake, manifold, carburetor, rear axle pieces, a couple little trim pieces, firewall, fan belt and pulley system, even a gold fan belt. That's what we all need. Some velocity stacks for the hood, for the carburetors. It's a single carburetor, but you get two stacks. Huh. Okay. Gold valve covers. Oh, here's a dual quad setup, so those would coincide with that. I hadn't seen that before. All I saw was the standard intake, which is here. Gold license plate holder, some trim for suspension, gold coil springs. I went a little gold heavy in this one. And here are rear wheels for the car, tires for the car, tires for the trailer, and then the front tires for the car are here, little skinnies. And they are Goodyear Rally tires, and then there's no marking on these tires that I can read, at least. It looks like there might be something right there, but I can't make that out. So that's that. And for clear parts, we have windshield. This little piece is for the rear glass, for the rear window, and then two little headlights. Set that there. And last but not least, we have some decals, which are basically pinstriping. Let's see if you see all along the car. Well, I don't know how well you can see it, but the little gold outlines going around everything on the car and the trailer, that's those. Excuse me. Sorry about that. And then for a license plate, we have California, HCL 743. Well, that's it, folks. That was a quick one today. Got a little piece of something down here. Looks like a little suspension piece or a shock absorber piece. I figured out when the time comes to build it. But I want to thank you all for stopping by. I hope you're having a great day. And as always, please like, comment, subscribe, share. Get the word out there for me. I would appreciate all the help I can get. I'm trying to make this channel grow. I hope you're having a great time. I hope you enjoy my videos. And have yourselves a great day. And keep on modeling.